Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Go to Shuibei's Chaoyue Beef Hot Pot City with Yuki to eat beef. This shop is not well known. Let's see if there are any surprises. Try the ribeye cap first. I like this part very much. Cook for 8 to 10 seconds is enough. Stir it so that it heats up evenly. Eat more. No sauce, try the original flavor directly. Much more delicious than Daniel hot pot. Very meaty. Try dipping it in sriracha sauce. Mine is vinegar and chili. The original taste is already very delicious. It is recommended not to dip in the sauce, so as not to affect the taste of the meat. This soup base has a strong beef bone flavor. Business hours are from 11 noon to the next morning. Open almost 24 hours. What the waiter said. If you have insomnia in the middle of the night, you can rush over to eat beef. Next is New Bay. This color means it is unprocessed and unbleached. 1, 2, 3. So fast. I believe you. Ha ha ha. Try the original first. Is it cooked? Use me to test. Already cooked. Taste very crisp. But the taste is lighter. It is recommended to dip in sriracha sauce. So fresh. After dipping in the sand tea sauce, the taste is immediately improved. Not every ingredient is suitable for dipping. Beef white chest sliced. Light yellow means good quality. I like to cook longer. I like to cook for tens of seconds. Underage, do not drink. Thanks. Try the original first. The beef brisket has a light meat flavor and may need to be dipped in sauce. Not crispy enough. The meat taste is light. It is recommended to dip it in sriracha sauce. Also works great with chili if you don't dip the sauce. This sriracha sauce is excellent. It is made with heart. The taste is slightly sweet, fantastic. I want to eat nearby. Do not cook too much, eat immediately after cooking, so as not to affect the taste. It tastes very good when dipped in sriracha sauce. There are few reviews of this shop on the internet. It was recommended by a friend just now. Take a taxi here immediately. I have no disappointing. This part is eaten for the first time. Fatty meat. The clerk said it was the meat near the brisket. Try the original first. The taste is smooth, not as crisp as expected. So slippery. The taste of meat is slightly worse than that of ribby cap. Ribby cap must add one more dish. This part tastes a bit like high-grade beef. It is recommended not to dip the sauce. The beef does not need to be dipped in sauce, which affects the taste. Pulpiness and balls. You eat. This store should have a history of more than 10 years. Stir-fried beef noodles. Techu people call this kiwi tail. You eat some too. How? Not bad, wok high, and less oil. It should taste better with the beef in this shop. Less oil and less salt. I like the taste. It's very good, and it only costs $25. Worth recommending. I rarely recommend domestic fried beef liver, because the standards in Hong Kong are generally better. Make an exception this time. Almost missed this dish. Perfect with some chili sauce. This is the highlight of the day. It's the balls of a cow. That part, you know. You also eat some. It is said to have skincare effect. It's already cooked. Reheat it and eat it. Try the original first. No smell. How does it taste? Powdery. Feeling like eating chicken testicles, and the taste is very weak. It is recommended to dip with sriracha sauce. I only try it if I'm hungry and there's no food. All in all, the beef in this shop is very good. Fried beef rice noodles is also worth recommending. The meat flavor of the offal is light. It is recommended to dip it in sand tea sauce. I like to eat nearby. Beef is also delicious. I eat less beef. I prefer nearby. Others are worth recommending. For the beef part, I recommend ribeye cap, very meaty, and not too soft. Fried beef rice noodles was a surprise. Even after eating, there is very little oil on the plate. This chef is not bad. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press notification link down. Never miss a video update. Thank you all.